Question 8. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? A. Akbar. B. Humayun. C. Babur. D. Shah Jahan. Answer C. Babur. Question 2. In which year did India gain independence? A. 1945. B. 1946. C. 1947. D. 1950. Answer C. 1947. Question 3. Who gave the slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. Bhagat Singh. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer B. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question 4. Who built the Taj Mahal? A. Akbar. B. Shah Jahan. C. Aurangzeb. D. Humayun. Answer B. Shah Jahan. Question 5. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? A. 1757. B. 1761. C. 1857. D. 1526. Answer A. 1757. Question 6. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? AC. A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 7. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? A. Non-coup operation movement. B. Civil disobedience movement. C. Quit India movement. D. Swadeshi movement. Answer C. Quit India movement. Question 8. Who founded the Maurya Empire? A. Ashok. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Bindusar. D. Harsh. Answer B. Chandragupta Maurya. Question 9. Who was the last Governor General of independent India? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. C. Rajgopalachari. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer B. C. Rajgopalachari. Question 10. Which emperor embraced Buddhism after the Kaling War? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Ashok. C. Harsha. D. Samudragupta. Answer B. Ashok. Question 11. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Patel. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 12. The revolt of 1857 started from which place? A. Delhi. B. Meerut. C. Kanpur. D. Lucknow. Answer B. Meerut. Question 13. Who write the Indian national anthem? A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. Ravindranath Tagore. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer B. Ravindranath Tagore. Question 14. Which is the oldest civilization in India? A. Vedic civilization. B. Indus Valley civilization. C. Gupta civilization. D. Maurya civilization. Answer B. Indus Valley civilization. Question 15. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Annie Besant. D. Kasturba Gandhi. Answer B. Sarojini Naidu. Question 16. Who founded the Gupta Empire? A. Chandragupta Pratham. B. Samudragupta. C. Chandragupta Dvitiya. D. Kumar Gupta. Answer A. Chandragupta Pratham. Question 17. Who discovered the sea route to India in 1498? A. Christopher Columbus. B. Vasco da Gama. C. Marco Polo. D. Fernando Magellan. Answer B. Vasco da Gama. Question 18. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? A. Bhagat Singh. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Answer B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 19. The Constitution of India come into effect on A. 15 अगस्त 1947. B. 26 जनवरी 1950. C. 26 नवंबर 1949. D. 2 अक्टूबर 1950. Answer B. 26 जनवरी 1950. Question 20. Who was the first president of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Comment your answer below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more GK quizzes.